Tjörnin is surrounded by 24 sculptures. Just in 10 meters, you can stumble onto a footballer, a girl, and a mini Viking. In order to make it a little less confusing, we arranged the sculptures into 6 groups. Superstars, cute, myth and legends, ambitious, our favorite, and whatever. But before we go into detail, here's some general information about Tjörnin. The name Tjörn is an ancestor of the Northern English Tarn, meaning mountain lake. Today, though, people call it the pond due to its shallowness, only 57 centimeters on average. Location. It's impossible to overlook given its central location. Here is the city hall, a famous Pilsuhúsið, somewhere there is Harpa, to the right is Hallgrímskirkja, on the other side Háskóli Íslands, and that plane is going to a domestic airport. History. The most relevant decisions of Tjörnin's modern history were made around 1920. For example, the pedestrian bridge was built and a ban for hunting in the area was established. In 1989, all sea water was prevented from entering the lake, and thus its transition into a freshwater body quickly took form. And now let's get back to the sculptures. Group 1. Superstars. In this group we have artists and politicians. The first one, a poet, Tómas Guðmundsson, who is often referred to as the Reykjavík poet. He saw beauty in everyday life, the city's bustle and urban landscapes. The second poet, Jónas Hallgrímsson. His birthday has been officially named as the day of the Icelandic language. Now you're looking at the first outdoor sculpture in Reykjavík. A self-portrait of a Danish sculptor, Bertel Thorvaldsen. Let's jump into politicians. Here's Gunnar Thorsson, the youngest man ever elected to the Icelandic parliament, only 23 years old. Former prime minister, mayor of Reykjavík and minister of finance. Ólafur Thors, prime minister of Iceland, 5 times. Group 2, cute. Piltur og Stúlka from Jón Thorsson's novel, which is by the way a cute and adorable read. Katta og Stebbi by Þorbjörg Pálsdóttir, inspired by the teenagers in the artist's family. The sculpture represents their idealism, carelessness, and other less or more annoying teenage attributes. More cuteness. Móður ást, Motherly Love, by Nina Simonsson. Maður og kona, Man and Woman, by Tove Ólafsson. The last one from this category, Girl, also called Sophia, by Ólöf Pálsdóttir. Group 3, Myths and Legends. Adonis made by Bertel Thorvaldsen, whose self-portrait we've seen in the previous group. It's Scandinavia, so there had to be at least one mermaid. This one was made by Nina Simonsson. If there's a mermaid, there has to be a Vikingurinn, by Sigurjón Ólafsson, a symbol of the first settlers who came from western Norway. Talking about pioneers, here's the settler woman, Gunnfríður Jónsdóttir. Group 4. Ambitious. We'll keep it short. Sculpture by Gerður Helgadóttir. Álögum, breaking the spell. Group 5. Our favorite. The unknown bureaucrat or Minnismerki óþekkta embættismanninn by Magnús Tómasson. Some say the artist was just lazy and simply didn't bother to finish the more complex part. But we like the metaphor of having a heavy rock instead of a head. Group 6. The whatever. There's an Iceland-Japan Society honorary plaque, Hiroshima Peace Stone, a tiny sculpture called Going Home, son by Ólöf Pálsdóttir, that guy, a footballer, this thing, that thing, this thing. A whole lot of things. Thanks for watching.